to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project called leap year. We're going to identify if this year is leap year or not. So as we all know, leap year is 1 in 4 years. So first of all, we'd like to create an input like in the last project. So we'd call it year equals int, to make it an integer. Open up brackets, put input, open new brackets, and open up strings and write enter year colon string bracket. Okay, and then we would like to create an if statement. If the year is like divisible by 4 without remainder, so write 0 colon, and then we write if it is also divided by 100 year equals 0 colon, and also then we write if year is divisible by 400 equals 0 colon, then print, open a bracket, semicolon, write leap year dot string colon, and then we also need else, so it can print also not a leap year. So we come over here, yes, write else print, I will now copy it, not a leap year dot colon bracket. Let me copy it. Then I would like to create another else statement. Write the same. Else not a leap year. Okay, so now let's run it. Enter year, for example, 2025, or now year, not a leap year. Okay, 2026, not a leap year. 2027. Okay, so guys, this is all for this lecture. See you in the next one. Bye bye.